Hello children, I hope you all are fine. By the grace of God, in my previous video I started lesson 3, Two Cranes and a Tortoise. I have shown you the clip of pronunciation. We should pronounce the word in a proper way. Then only people can understand it properly and they are also going to pronounce the word correctly, properly. So, Tortoise. It's not tortoise. Tortoise is a wrong pronunciation. We should pronounce the word in a proper way and the correct pronunciation is tortoise. Tortoise, tortoise. Let me recapitulate some of the points of this lesson. They lived two cranes and a tortoise in a forest. They were friends. How they were children? They were friends. And they were enjoying their life in the lake of clean water. So what happened in summer days we have seen that the lake water will dry up. So these three friends were suffering because of this season. Which season? Summer season. So let us find out what happened. So the two cranes decided to leave the forest. What they decided? To leave the forest. Who decided? Two cranes decided to leave the forest. They had strong wings and it was no problem for them to fly to another place. So they don't have any problem to fly to another place because they have strong wings. But they were sad for the tortoise who had no wings. They would have to leave him behind. They would have to leave him behind. When they met the tortoise that morning, they looked at him sadly. So when they met to this tortoise, they looked it very sadly. To whom? To the tortoise. So now let us see what happens. Friends, why do you look so sad? Who is asking this? Asked the tortoise. Tortoise asked to the two cranes. We are sad because we will have to part from you very soon, said the first crane. What it said? Have to part from you is nothing but we should leave you because of this reason. Which reason? The lake was drying up. But why? Asked the tortoise in surprise. He was surprised and he asked, but why? You would know if we could fly in the sky and look down, said the second crane. Second crane is now explaining why these two cranes are moving from this place to another place. The lake is almost dried and no fish are left in it. And no fish are left in it. In it where means it's in lake. They are talking about the lake. If we don't leave soon, we will surely die of hunger and thirst, said the first crane. What it said? The first crane said that if we don't leave soon, we will surely die of hunger and thirst. Here children, we will is a short form. W-E-V W-I-L-L. Instead of writing W-I-L-L, we have kept here apostrophe then L-L. It's a short form of writing will. So what it said? We will surely die of hunger and thirst. But where are you going? Asked the tortoise. What tortoise asked here? But where are you going? To another forest. When it will be easier, where it will be easier to find food and water, said the first crane. So first crane said that we are going to another forest so that it will be easier to find food and water for us. When are you going? Again, who is asking this question? Tortoise is asking. In an hour time. In an hour's time. So soon. Shouldn't I going with you? What it asked? Shouldn't I be going with you? But how can you come? How can you go with us? Cranes are asking. This conversation is going between tortoise and cranes. At times first crane is talking and at times second crane is talking. Why can't I? Now tortoise is asking, why can't I go with you? Don't you know why? We You cannot fly. What it said? You can't fly. Can't. C-A-N-T. Can't. Again, C-A-N apostrophe then T. It's a short form of can't. Can't fly. What it said? Don't you know why? You cannot fly or you can't fly. Then is it you your duty to save a friend's life? Who is asking this? Tortoise is asking. To whom? To the cranes. But how shall we do that? Then the another crane said that. But how shall we do that? Then tortoise are having some ideas, and tortoise are going to share that idea with these two friends, cranes. Now, as I mentioned you, tortoise is giving an idea to take him with these two friends. How? What it said? Carry me with you. What it said? Carry me with you. Carry you with us? But how? This is a question from the cranes. On your back. Who said this? Tortoise. But our bags are so small. If you fall off during the flight, you will surely die. What it said? If you fall off during the flight, you will surely die. The tortoise thought for a while and then said, Can't you carry me with your beaks? We can, said the two cranes, but it will be awful. Meaning of awful, children, let me explain you. Extremely bad, unpleasant, terrible. Awful for you, our beaks will dig into your body and give you terrible pain. So awful is nothing but which gives a pain, or else unpleasant or extremely bad. So it gives you a pain, terrible pain. The tortoise thought a little longer. That now the tortoise is thinking little longer. Then suddenly he raised his head and said brightly, I have an idea. What it said? I have an idea. Get me a long, strong stick. What it said? Get me a long, strong stick. I'll grip the middle of it with my teeth. Then each of you will take one end of the stick in your beak and fly. Then tortoise has given a good idea. So these two cranes follow that idea. Very nicely, tortoise has given this idea. So these two friends carried him from one place to another. While carrying, in my next video, I am going to explain what happened while carrying. I underline some of the vocabulary here. Learn by heart. Write one time in your CWs. Work on worksheets, children. Have a nice day.